What if I told you this stunning 1960 Pontiac Catalina isn't just a classic cruiser, it's a $100,700 masterpiece packing a legendary 389 tri-power V8 and a 4-speed manual that every Pontiac fan dreams about? Let's take a closer look. The 1960 Pontiac Catalina represents an era when American automobiles were larger than life, filled with bold styling, powerful engines, and unmistakable road presence. But the example you're looking at today takes that legendary formula to another level. Priced at an impressive $100,700, this custom-built Catalina combines timeless Pontiac heritage with meticulous craftsmanship, creating a luxury showpiece that's equally capable of turning heads on the street and collecting trophies at prestigious car shows. From the very first glance, the glossy black exterior commands your attention. The deep mirror-like finish reflects everything around it, while elegant silver paint accents perfectly complement the body lines. Every curve highlights Pontiac's iconic design language of the early 1960s, making this Catalina look both sophisticated and aggressive. Up front, the brilliant chrome bumper and signature chrome grille create a bold face that instantly reminds everyone why Pontiac earned its reputation for building excitement. One of the first details enthusiasts notice is the famous 8-lug wheels. These distinctive Pontiac wheels are among the brand's most recognizable engineering achievements, giving the Catalina an unmistakable appearance that separates it from other full-size classics of its era. Wrapped in 225/70 R14 wide whitewall tires on both the front and rear, the stance is elegant, period correct, and absolutely timeless. Lift the hood and the real magic begins. Powering this remarkable machine is Pontiac's legendary 389 cubic inch V8 engine. This engine became one of the most respected power plants of its generation thanks to its incredible torque, smooth operation, and unmistakable exhaust note. Sitting proudly on top is the highly desirable tri-power carburetor setup. 3 2-barrel carburetors provide exceptional airflow while delivering that unmistakable vintage performance that muscle car enthusiasts have admired for decades. Backing the powerful V8 is a true driver's transmission, a 4-speed manual gearbox. Every gear change delivers an authentic mechanical connection between the driver and the road, creating an experience that simply cannot be duplicated by modern automatic transmissions. Whether you're cruising through town or accelerating onto the highway, every shift reminds you why classic American performance remains so special. Power is transferred through a Pontiac-style rear end equipped with a 3.23/1 gear ratio. This carefully selected gearing provides an excellent balance between responsive acceleration and relaxed highway cruising, making the Catalina comfortable for long-distance drives while still delivering exciting performance whenever the throttle is pressed. Driving confidence is enhanced by factory-style power steering, making this full-size Pontiac surprisingly easy to maneuver despite its impressive dimensions. Power brakes provide dependable stopping ability, allowing the driver to enjoy every mile with confidence. The attention to detail continues throughout the engine compartment. The shaved firewall creates an exceptionally clean appearance that highlights the engine itself. A chrome starter adds visual appeal beneath the hood, while chrome steering gear and a chrome sway bar continue the theme of tasteful customization. Every component appears carefully selected to create a polished, show-quality presentation. Moving underneath the Catalina reveals just how comprehensive this build truly is. The black painted frame looks clean and professionally finished. A new gas tank ensures reliability, while new brake lines contribute to dependable performance. The custom exhaust system features band-clamped connections along with classic Smithy-mufflers that produce the deep, unmistakable rumble every Pontiac enthusiast loves. Front and rear drum brakes maintain the car's authentic character while providing dependable braking performance. Open the door, and you're welcomed into an interior that perfectly blends vintage styling with modern craftsmanship. Rather than traditional bench seating, this Catalina features custom front bucket seats that provide improved comfort and a sporty appearance. Matching rear bucket seating creates a truly unique cabin layout rarely seen in classic full-size Pontiacs. Separating the front seats is a beautifully crafted custom center console that enhances both comfort and visual appeal. Custom door panels continue the luxurious theme throughout the cabin, while a brand new headliner completes the fresh, professionally restored interior. The original factory steering wheel remains in place, preserving the Catalina's authentic personality. Ahead of the driver sit factory-style gauges that deliver classic styling while maintaining the original driving experience. A retro sound-style radio provides modern audio capability without sacrificing the vintage appearance of the dashboard, allowing owners to enjoy contemporary music while preserving the timeless design. Even the trunk showcases the same level of craftsmanship found throughout the rest of the vehicle. Finished with custom closeout panels, it demonstrates that no detail was overlooked during the restoration process. Perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of this Catalina is how beautifully every component works together. Nothing appears excessive or out of place. Every modification respects Pontiac's original design while enhancing the overall driving and visual experience. It's not simply restored, it's elevated. Cars like this rarely come together by accident. They require countless hours of skilled labor, extensive planning, premium quality components, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. The result is a Catalina that captures the spirit of 1960 while offering the refinement expected from a modern show car. At an asking price of $100,700, this Pontiac represents far more than transportation. It represents history, craftsmanship, engineering, and passion. It's a rolling work of art that celebrates one of Pontiac's greatest eras while providing the exhilarating experience that only a tri-power V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission can deliver. Whether you're a lifelong Pontiac collector, a classic American car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates exceptional automotive craftsmanship, this 1960 Pontiac Catalina deserves your attention. It stands as a reminder that true automotive legends never go out of style. If you enjoyed this incredible 1960 Pontiac Catalina, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another rare muscle car, luxury classic, or breathtaking Restomod. Until next time, keep your passion for classic cars alive, and we'll see you in the next video.